Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to get latest videos through notification. In this video, I am sharing what type programming languages are used for robotics. Robotics is considerably huge field to cover as it involves various aspects of electronics, computer science, machine learning, instrumentation, and controlling and artificial intelligence. Programming languages in robotics have been evolving dramatically for the past 2 decades. However, the ground truth still remains the same. C and C++ run the robotics ecosystem, while inaugural Python, Java, and Lisp do contribute to robotics software development. They are largely limited to offline development in case of Python or small community support in case of the latter two. C and C++ are used for embedded development and real-time high-level programming for robotics, perception, control, and motion decision-making algorithms respectively. They are the fast programming language with better support to object-oriented programming, multi-threading, memory management. Then why Python is the best option? Because Python is updated to version 3.6.0, so new frameworks started evolving on the web. Frameworks are the extensions that are created for a particular purpose. It reduces the lines of code and have some predefined directories to get started with. Few frameworks are Robot Framework, Joro, a Python framework for robotics and physical computing, and a lot more. Robotics is also associated with machine learning and artificial intelligence, and the programming languages used for machine learning and AI are Python. One language with multiple uses, Python. It can be used in almost all the fields, let it be game development, web development, or any other field. The next one is MATLAB. One of the most popular and most used programming language, MATLAB. It is an open source. It has become quite popular among the amateurs in this field and professional robotics for analyzing information and building control system. As some firms have stated that there are people who have developed an entire robotic system by using only MATLAB. If you are concerned with top tier analysis, generating technical data and graphs, and establishing controlling unit, the MATLAB will be great help and you may want to learn it. So that's all about some of the information which programming languages are used in robotics. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.